So, we're here at Midlands Swap Meet.
Rock and roll.
So, how did you feel today's swap meet went?
Amazing. It's just been just a non-stop day. People coming through the door, people absolutely loving parts that were on offer. The atmosphere has been superb. The weather's held off as well, so people came out in their air-cooled cars. I think everyone's had a successful day.
Steve, can you tell us about your upcoming event?
So the new event, which is happening in the British Motor Museum, is called the People's Air-cooled Show. And it's basically a celebration of all things air-cooled, whether it be Volkswagen or Porsche. And basically, you come along in your air-cooled car for the day, you are then part of the show.
Right. Well, we look forward to it. Hopefully we can make it.
Thank you very much. It'll be great to see you there.
My first time coming,
Yeah.
and I've absolutely loved it.
Brilliant.
And I hope to come next year.
Excellent. I'd like to see you there. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Cheers for your support.
So, we're here with Ben from Evil Ben's.
Hello. All
So,
right.
Ben, have you had a good time this year?
I've had a lovely time. I bought some things. I've sold some things. I bought these new seat recliners off Steve Parsons. He's just done. Happy about them.
Was it worth coming for?
From Penzance, Cornwall. Yes, it was actually.
Good. It's my first time coming.
Yes.
But everyone says it's always a blast.
Yeah. What did you miss? You say?
I ain't got one. So we're all right there.
Hello there. And what's your name?
Blake.
Blake. Apparently, you're looking for a bird. Is that true?
I am.
Yeah. And the qualifications for this bird need to be?
Female.
Yeah. Any other things?
Living.
Living. You're not fussy then, no?
No, not at all.
Pulse, living, yeah?
And we're all good.
Is it okay if she's a bit of a ponky?
Yeah. And that's a wrap. The Midlands Swap Meet. We've had a wonderful time and we hope to be here again next year. Thank you. We're on our way home. We'll be back at 6 o'clock. It will take 2 hours to get home. Unless Biddy stops for about 7 coffees. But Jade, have you enjoyed it this weekend?
Yeah.
Biddy, have you enjoyed it this weekend?
Yeah, man, it's been wicked.
Good. We've all had a blast. We can't wait to get home, but we're still back at work tomorrow. We never get a day off. Thank you. So, we're here with Ben from Evil Ben's.
I'm not Ben.
Are you not?
No, you wait for Ben to come back then. I'm going to put that on.